In the modern culinary world, we eat with our eyes before the food reaches our taste buds first. With social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube flooding us with stunning images of food every day, the way we perceive, understand, and interact with food has fundamentally changed. Food images hold a wealth of information that goes far beyond mere aesthetics. The visual presentation of food is a result of a list of ingredients undergoing a series of cooking actions that alter the texture, taste, and nutrition information of food. For instance, vibrant greens often indicate the presence of vitamins like K and folate, while bright oranges suggest beta-carotene and antioxidants. Imagine being able to see a dish and instantly know what it's made of, how to cook it, and how you can personalize it to your taste, all from just one image. It could turn any food photo into a step-by-step guide, bridging the gap between seeing a dish and creating it. Yet, despite advances in technology, current models often fall short, only recognizing ingredients or estimating nutrition without diving into the real heart of cooking: the actions, techniques, and specific steps that make each dish unique. Introducing Pic2Prep, a breakthrough multimodal conversational agent that brings food images to life by generating detailed cooking instructions, ingredient lists, and cooking actions from visual data. Unlike traditional food computation models, Pic2Prep goes beyond the ingredients and nutrition, creating an interactive conversational agent from just an image. Pic2Prep is built on a novel approach that combines state-of-the-art vision language models to understand food in a completely new way. At its core, Pic2Prep utilizes a uniquely generated dataset of synthesized food images created using Stable Diffusion. Pic2Prep's backbone is the fine-tuned blip model, which extracts detailed ingredients and cooking instructions directly from these food images. We didn't stop there. By integrating CookGen, Pic2Prep identifies specific cooking actions, transforming raw ingredients into a cohesive cooking process. Finally, a custom action-to-ingredient mapper, trained with the Mistral model, ensures that each cooking action is perfectly aligned with the corresponding ingredients. This creates an immersive, accurate depiction of the entire cooking journey, from prep to plate. Pic2Prep features a sleek, interactive interface designed to make your cooking experience effortless and engaging. It all starts with a simple image upload, like this sunny-side-up egg. From here, you can ask questions like, "What are the ingredients? How do I cook this?" Or, "What's the next step?" Pic2Prep instantly analyzes the image, pulling detailed information to provide real-time, actionable culinary advice. But it goes beyond just listing ingredients. Pic2Prep provides detailed, step-by-step cooking instructions, guiding you seamlessly from the first action to the final touch. It also intelligently links each ingredient to specific cooking actions, offering you a cohesive step-by-step guide tailored to your dish. For example, it will tell you when to season, flip, or adjust heat for the perfect sunny-side-up egg. Pic2Prep stays focused on what it does best: cooking. If a question falls outside the culinary realm, it politely responds with, "I don't know," ensuring the interaction remains seamless and relevant. Pic2Prep is more than just a chatbot, it's the future of interactive cooking. By bridging vision and language, it empowers users to go beyond the image. Offering personalized recipe recommendations, ingredient substitutions, and an engaging way to explore food like never before. Step into a new culinary world with Pic2Prep, where every picture is just the beginning of your cooking adventure.